Katie.
And I'm Lizzie.
And we're from EITS.
And today we're outside the MLC. We're gonna head in and show you guys how to print off of a WEPA printer.
Let's head in.
Here is one of the many WEPA printing kiosks located in the MLC. All you have to do is swipe your UGA card and you have access to your account. You can access your files on your account, or you can link it with your Google Drive and choose which document you want to print. Once you have selected your document, you are prompted to choose your form of payment. You can load money on your account or pay by card. And your document will be out in no time. Also, follow UGA EITS on all your social media platforms to stay in the know about technology at UGA. If you don't have your UGA card, you can choose to sign into your account, use a code, or print from a USB. And that's it. WEPA makes printing simple.